The Lean Machine has three ways to both notify and escalate the visibility of quality system tasks. One is the dashboard summary notification system. The second is the department notification system. And the last is the integration of the email module with all the various places it is convenient to send an email, whether that is to the list of document reviewers or to a supplier associated with a corrective action, for example. First, let's look at the dashboard report for document-related assignments for all employees. When a dashboard assignment has been open for a day, that user accumulates a dashboard day for that type of task. Let's look at the report that looks at this metric. Since this is our demo company database, some of these items have been open on the dashboard for quite some time. The dashboard summary email system can be configured to run automatically on a timer and send out daily or weekly user notifications about their dashboard assignments. This list of assignments can also be escalated to a given user's supervisor if the total number of dashboard days exceeds the limit set for that employee. After you configure what you want the automatic email to say, and have checked off which employees should be getting these emails, just click this button and the Lean Machine will do the rest. First, a log is opened to display the status that the system has been started. Then the Lean Machine makes a copy of the current dashboard assignments for each user who is configured to receive these emails. As the software cycles through the list of users, a check is performed to see if their total dashboard days have exceeded either the default escalation setting or the individual setting that determines when their supervisor will also be copied on the email. Here is where the dashboard notification settings are maintained for each employee. Notice that Ben's email is set to sales@theleanmachine.com. Here we can see that Ben is set up as my supervisor, so if my total number of dashboard days exceeds 250, Ben should be copied on the email, which will be addressed to sales@theleanmachine.com. Now I'll check my email to see if they've arrived. Here's the first one to Ben, and only addressed to him since he did not have a supervisor. Here is mine, and addressed to myself and Ben since my total number of dashboard days exceeded 250. Actually, my dashboard days exceeded 250 by quite a bit. You can also use the system manually and just send out a dashboard notification when needed to a specific person. Here we can see how all the items are added to the email from the dashboard list for this user. The next system we will look at is the department notification system. What this screen allows you to do is configure who should be notified of a new record in a particular department. For example, Ben DeSoto might want to be notified of any new customer feedback records created in the HR department. So if we go to the customer feedback module and a new record is assigned to the HR department, or if we change the assignment to HR, Ben DeSoto should be notified. Here we can see that the Lean Machine both wrote the email and addressed it to Ben DeSoto. The email isn't sent automatically to give the user a chance to put more details into the email if needed. Just click Send when the email is ready to be sent. Now we will take a quick look at where you can configure outgoing email settings. Individual users can select their default email behavior on the Tools screen. Microsoft Exchange and SMTP server settings need to be configured on the System Settings screen by the management rep. You can either use your own SMTP server, or we can let you use ours. Existing customers should contact LMBS so that we can add your IP address to the list of allowed addresses from which SMTP requests will be processed. This concludes the brief overview of the email module and the notification and escalation features. Of course, not shown were all the places in the software the email module is used to notify reviewers about documents or suppliers about rejected material, as the email module has been integrated throughout the software. Contact LMBS if you have any questions or would like a personal tour.